The hot flush is the bane of the makeup, but it can be solved. It's one of my FAQs. Might need a change of technique. For example, makeup won't go on when you're perspiring. So it might be that cold shot of the hairdryer beforehand. It might mean waiting for half an hour once you've had a shower or you've blow dried your hair. Get your clothes ready, go and have your breakfast, plan an outfit, choose some bright colours. To hold eye makeup on, do your eye creams and your stronger moisturisers on a night. Use lighter weight eye products on a morning. Then buff the eyes with a loose powder with a big fluffy brush. And then your mascara hasn't got any oil or grease to absorb, so it will stay put. Same for your liner, and skinny liner behind the back of the mascara really lifts and opens the eyes. They're really quick. When you're looking at the makeup that you've got, certainly reassess what you've got, check the tones and textures are right, but then enjoy makeup again. Really important products. It might be the time for you to go back to a makeup primer, and even an oily skinned makeup primer or a gel based makeup primer really helps to hold onto your makeup and is perfect even when your skin is actually feeling hot or you're sweating or you're perspiring. Your face shape can change, so it might be about a brighter blusher but applied a little bit further away or a little bit lower. Enjoy contouring again, because that can really thin and lift the face, and makeup is all about making you feel good in the mirror on a morning. During the menopause, your hair color can change, and if you're lucky enough to go grey or salt and pepper or platinum, then actually embrace it. Use brightening shampoos. But did you know allowing your hair to go grey can actually warm up your skin tone, because the hair color that you've always dyed your hair can actually be quite harsh through the aging process. That might mean that suddenly letting your hair go grey, your skin palette looks warmer, fresher, brighter, younger, and you can also embrace some new brighter colors. Changing and enjoying different shades in your blushes, your lip color, maybe a brighter lip color. You'll also find you might be able to get away with a more natural looking eye, but then using those pops of color. So it really is a time to actually enjoy makeup and enjoy color.